Welcome traders, Patrick from Trading123.net. In this video we're going to cover today's trades in crude oil. Crude's been hot lately, big moves, longer trends, and so we're trading it. Crude oil has been trading down on some negative news for past couple days. So here we hit it right after the 9 o'clock open. And the AutoTrader gets short here on 4 contracts. And we had a $1,000 goal. It sold off here rather nicely. And we rode it all the way down here and we came just shy of our goal. Nice $831 profit and on the 4 contracts. And now it's time to get a quick breakfast before the market opens. But let's take a look at the strategy performance. And there it is. Crude oil, total net profit 831, commission 18. 4 trades. Largest winners, potential profits on a monthly basis on 30 days. It's all there for you to review. Now I elected to take the, not let it run because the open was coming up. And probably just go sideways after that big drop. So we take our money and wait for the open. So nice start to the day. And here we are at the open. Market flushed a little more. AutoTrader gets long on a reversal up. And our first 2 contracts are hit nicely with about 14 tick profit, so that's 280 bucks. And then our stop is hit over here on the trend change, and then the algo bot gets short, and down we go, and we hit our profit goal of we get $913 minus some slippage. So 2 trades up and down, 100% winner. And let's take a look at the strategy performance. And here is the strategy performance. Total net profit 913. And the trades 100% winner. And potential profit on a 30-day basis 27K. And let's look at the 3rd trade because the range is nice in the crude oil, so we're going to keep trading it even though we got a nice substantial profit. Our goal is 2,000. Let's see if we can hit that. So our next trade here is at 10 o'clock. Just after 10, market up here at the highs. We start the AutoTrader. Basically, the trend started down, so the AutoTrader got short. And it rode the trend down for a couple trades. And we're still trading 4 contracts. So it got short here, and then a reversal that got stopped, and then we got short. And the first 2 contracts here, and then another one here, and then the runner goes all the way down. Our trend filter, since it was on, we basically, it didn't take this long here on the color change. Of course, the color change has nothing to do with it. It's all in the algorithm. And so it wrote it down because the trend was down. And we hit our goal of $1,000. And win percent, 72%. Which doesn't really matter because we hit our $1,000 goal. And here's what it says here in the bottom of the chart. C4 is for 4 contracts. S20 is our stop that we're using, our goal, and then our loss. So you can see that plain as day. No need to email me to ask what my settings are. So then I get the emails of people asking, well, how can you do all these trades? One person do all these trades? Well, when you got 4 32-inch monitors and you're monitoring one one, like crude on one chart, ES on another, NQ on another. It's very simple to do. Well, it's not simple. It does take some time to get used to. I had 3 monitors, 3 28s, and then I switched right before the holiday to 4 32s and stacked 2 on 2. And it is a little bit to look at, but it works for me. It may not work for you. I mean, there are some people that have more monitors, 6, but that's a lot to look at. And you really only need to focus on 1 or 2 trades. So 90% of the time I'm, well, I don't want to say 90% of the time, but majority of my trades are NQ, and then I look at the ES, and then, the crude oil. And crude oil's been moving pretty nice lately, so more focus on the crude oil than the ES, but I still do 1 or 2 ES trades for the day. So let's look at the next one, because we're on a roll. In this trade here, we lowered our goal after we hit our first 3 trades for winners, so we wanted to use less risk, even though we're still trading 4 contracts, but the goal's 540, loss is 440. Don't want to risk no $600-800 loss on a trade. But here the market started a new trend change, sells off on the 4 contracts. We got gypped on the slippage here, and 431 total profit. And there's the strategy performance for the trade: 431, commission $18, 4 trades, 100% winner. Actually, it was 1 trade on 4 contracts, and then the rest of the numbers down there. For your review, and as I said before, it's all about, reading the market and, market timing and different patterns that appear each day. And we use them to trade with the Trading123 AutoTrader. So I think there's one more trade. Let me pull that one up. Well, I thought there was one more trade, but there wasn't. But, in trading, you got to be focused. Can't be distracted by, your pets, family members, or the UPS or Amazon man. Stay totally focused and dedicated to trading, and be ready. And it's all about being focused and no distractions. No answering the phone. Let it go to voicemail. And learn to read the market. What is the footprint of the chart telling me? Where's the market going? Is it going up? Is it going down? That's what trading's all about. Even with an algorithm, it does majority of the work. You just have to set it and turn it on. But when the market's weak, like crude oil, I added an extra contract, so we're hitting our profit goals. We're getting larger profit goals. On a typical average day, I'd be happy with 500 to 600 on crude oil. But since there's a larger range, and you're getting 40 tick moves and an up and down move, you go for wider goals and let it run, instead of scalping 8 ticks, 16 ticks, and then it drops 30 more ticks. That's where you earn the extra bonus. It's all part of learning and trading. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel here and follow us on social media, and we'll catch you in the next one.